Hello again viewers, this is a wee beginner's guide to play the Las Americas if you're coming here for the first time. We're on right at the end of the Golden Mile, or the start, depends how you think it starts. Park Santiago 4 across there, Promenade and the beach just down there. Villa Cortez, beautiful inside there, check out the playlist, I've done a video in there. And H10 Conquistador just next to it there as well. Now let's say you're staying in the La Siesta Hotel, it is just a 5-minute walk on your right hand side there. If you want to go up to the Dubliner or the Patch, it's again maybe 10-minute walk, not even that, just straight up and then left. I've done videos showing you anyway. 5-minute round the corner on the right hand side, you've got the Best Tenerife Hotel, the Volcano Hotel, the Vitacora Hotel, and this effectively is what we call the Golden Mile. So we're just going to take a wee walk up. We'll maybe finish up at the Safari Centre. Hi there.
Alright.
How you doing? Alright?
Alright, yeah.
Hi, good.
Yeah.
Good.
Watch your videos, don't we? Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.
How you doing? Okay.
Oh, I'm doing all right. I'm a wee bit hot today.
Yeah.
I had a late night last night, so I'm feeling it a wee bit today. That's it. You're having a nice holiday.
Yeah, sound. Yeah, thanks. Yeah.
Good stuff. Are you staying in Las Americas?
No, Royal Palm. You know, Los Cristianos.
All right, aye. I'm going to Los Cris on Tuesday.
Oh, yeah.
Are you walking back to Los Cris from here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a fair walk, eh?
Oh, yeah.
You guys are hardcore walking all the way back up that hill.
Yeah.
Eh?
Oh.
Lovely to meet you.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Manchester.
Manchester?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, guys. Well, lovely to meet you. Thanks for watching the channel.
Yeah.
Really appreciate it. Thanks. I might see you in Los Cris.
Yeah.
See you guys.
Later now, bye.
See you, mate. Bye-bye. That was lovely meeting the viewers there. They're staying at the Royal Palm. They're heading back to Los Cris. That is a fair walk, hardcore, going back all the way up there. That is 40 minutes, I'd say, from here, up a hill. Lovely to meet you guys. Thanks for watching the channel. Really appreciate your support. Might see you in Los Cris in a few days. So, let's head down. Los Cris is up that way. There's the wee tourist train. Park Santiago 3 is just up here on the right hand side. Got wee kids play area, we've got mini golf coming up here as well. So there's a few things for families. People ask me, what is it for families? Supposing you think maybe Siam Park in Costa Adeje. You can get an excursion up to Laurel Park as well, Porto de la Cruz. Check out Tenerife First Excursions for that, they'll give you more information. There's Park Santiago 3 just there, so we came from 4, there's Park Santiago 3. So, I forgot to mention viewers, if you want to go to Costa Adeje, you basically go back down there and turn right and just walk all the way up, maybe, so I'd say 25-minute walk. Just keep walking, there's different ways of going. You can stick to the promenade, go up to Porto Colón, or you can go right past the Veronica Strip, just stay right, walk up the hill, past the Ibrox Bar, Tenerife First Excursions, the Bougainville Player, and you'll go up to San Eugenio. So, Las Americas is a good base, especially if you're coming here for the first time, because you can go left or right. The guys I just met there are staying in Los Cristianos at the Royal Palm. I've got family who've stayed there, they quite like it. They've got some nice apartments. They've got some apartments with amazing views. Because it's right at the top of the hill, you overlook everything. There is Park Santiago 3. It's about, I think it's about 2 o'clock I'm filming this. So it's pretty quiet just now, but it's a good atmosphere at night. I had a Chinese meal in the Safari Centre last night with Paul and Laura. The meal was fantastic. Very, very nice it was. I'm going to do another video showing you some of the restaurants, some of the menu prices in the Safari Centre. This restaurant here is very busy at night because they've got live entertainment. I've seen Elton John in here, not that Elton John, but you know what I mean. Rod Stewart goes in there as well. Let's see if they're advertising them for tonight. Got Elvis on soon, you can see the advertising Elton John. So they've got Trevor Martin every night between 8 and 11. I think he just does different things. So he basically does Elvis Presley, Elton John, Freddie Mercury, Tom Jones. I don't know about the Friday one, but it's a very popular venue. Seating up the top there. Shopping centre over there. So Hard Rock Cafe just up on the right, Mare Nostrum Resort. So we've only really walked a few minutes. Hi there.
What are you doing this one for? Facebook?
YouTube. YouTube.
Is it Mac Masters?
I'm the Scotsman in Tenerife. Matt Masters, he's a great channel as well.
He's over American, isn't he?
Oh, he's all over the place. I don't even know where he is now, aye. I think it might be in the UK, but he's been all over the place, aye. That's it, aye. So it's on YouTube.
Spot on.
Thanks very much, guys.
No bother.
Alright, take care. See you, bye-bye. Mentioned the Mac Master channel, check out Lee's channel. He's the one who really started all the vlogs in Tenerife. Great channel. He's now all over the place. I've lost track of where he is. He's in America one day, the UK the next. He's just been everywhere. He does a lot of food reviews. Great channel. English breakfast here, €7.50. So you can see it's more expensive in there, but I've heard it's nice. If you're wondering what the temperature is, I've just seen a wee temperature gauge here. 30 degrees. Honestly, I think it's more than that. Definitely more. And it doesn't help viewers, if you're in the Dublin to 3:30 in the morning and it's 30 degrees, you're going to feel the effects the next day, I can guarantee. Do me a wee favour, if you're new to the channel, hit the wee button there that says subscribe. It's absolutely free, it doesn't cost a penny. Hit the wee bell for notifications. Let me walk up here and show you what's up here. This restaurant's busy at night, more of a kind of international clientele. Not sure how you pronounce it. Is it the beer pint? So we're just going to come to Safari Centre. It's got a lot of nice restaurants. I'm doing another video showing you that anyway. Hard Rock Cafe. Family were in there the other day, said the food was quite good. They thought it was quite reasonable price wise. Let me know if you've been in it. I could just jump in the fountains right now. So we can head down that way to the promenade. That is Cleopatra Palace, I think, hotel. I sometimes get mixed up between that and the Sir Anthony. I think the Sir Anthony's further down. The big blue building is the Mare Nostrum Resort. You'll see there's a lot of shops here. There's designer shops in the Safari Centre where the fountains are as well. If we keep walking along here till the end and just take a wee right and go down the lane, we'll go past the Vista Shopping Centre, then we'll pass the Sun King and Chucky's, and we're on Las Vistas Promenade, and we're about 15 minutes away from Los Cristianos. So a beginner's guide to Las Americas. If you're staying in the middle here, you can go down this way to Los Cristianos, or you can go the other way to Costa Deque. So that is the Hard Rock Cafe. It's lovely inside there. They've got live bands on at night. Next door, we've got the Magic Bar as well, which is popular. Younger crowd in there mostly. And in here we've got the famous Safari Centre. The fountains are not on, but I can tell you they were on last night. There was numerous people getting their pictures taken next to the fountains here. So, all the restaurants up here are really nice. The Chinese I was at was just on the left hand side. I'll do another video showing you. Maybe they've got the menu outside I can show you as well. That's the Safari Centre. You'll see in the background where I was staying last night, the wee up sign, that's the Volcano Hotel, which is at the back of the Safari Centre, just off the Parc de la Paz strip of bars, which are behind here. You can also cut through here. You see there's a wee shortcut. Just cut through there. It'll take you out to some more bars and restaurants. Deli Delights, Melrose Steakhouse. So if you want to go to Los Cris, there's another way you can go as well. Just turn right, just past the right, the big blue building, the Mare Nostrum Resort, the Med Palace. You can turn right and then left and walk along all the promenade by the sea. Just stick to the promenade, keep going, you'll come to Los Cristianos, you'll go through the tunnel. So just a wee beginner's guide to Las Americas. I'm bang in the centre of Las Americas right now. I just go left and turn the corner and I'll go to the Park de la Paz strip of bars, Bull's Head and all the other places. Hiya! Somebody give me a wee wave there. So, pretty central. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Many of you will know Las Americas anyway, but it's just really for the guys who are coming to Tenerife for the first time. This is the centre of Las Americas. If you're looking for a nice meal, people always ask me about food. I'm not really an expert in food, but I can tell you now, there's so many nice restaurants in the Safari Centre up the stairs. I'm going to show you them in another video. And you can pop into Harry's Bar for a cocktail. Good sports bar. Thanks so much for watching, viewers. Great to meet the guys on this video. Thanks for all your support, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh, hello.
No, I watch you on YouTube.
Oh, hi.
Yes, from England.
How you doing?
Fine. Yes.
Great.
We're in the volcano, and I just said to him, that's the Mount Simon we want. I look on a Sunday to see what's going on.
Oh, thanks so much. I really appreciate it. What's your name? What's your name?
Carol.
Carol.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, from Nottingham.
Carol from Nottingham.
Yeah, but as the pandemic's gone on, I'm a bit frightened to come. So
Oh.
we came in May. And
Right.
Everything was lovely.
Yeah.
So that we've chanced it again, and it's been beautiful.
Oh, that's great.
But no, you've kept us going, looking.
Oh, I really appreciate that, Carol.
Yes.
I was staying in the volcano last night.
Oh, was you?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
I was in last
I was staying in volcano last night, but I'm going to Costa Deque for the next 2 nights.
Ah, the next time we're here is May,
May.
and we're in the Gualamina.
Oh yeah, Guayamina Princess
Yeah,
down.
yeah, because we cancelled a cruise. I was worried.
All right.
you
Okay.
know, a while back, and so to use the money up, we picked a bit posh road.
Oh, well, I hope you enjoy it.
Yeah, yeah. Well, we stayed there before.
Oh, so you know it.
But yes, but no, but you've kept us going.
Oh, thank you so much, Carol. Pleasure to meet you.
Thank you, and you.
Have a nice holiday. See you later. Bye bye. Ah, 12 years. What a lovely surprise at the end. Are you still watching? Absolute superstar. Lovely to meet the viewers on the walk. Lovely to meet Carol from Nottingham there as well. Be surprised at the end. Let me know if you still watched to the end, if you've seen Carol. Thanks for watching, viewers. We'll see you on the next one.